Once upon a time, in the heart of the Indian jungle, there lived a young boy named Mowgli. He was raised by wolves after being found abandoned in the forest as a baby. Mowgli was a lively and curious boy who loved exploring the wilderness with his animal friends. Mowgli's closest companions were Baloo the bear, Bagheera the panther, and Kaa the python. Baloo was a wise and gentle bear who taught Mowgli the laws of the jungle and how to live in harmony with nature. Bagheera, a sleek and cunning panther, acted as Mowgli's protector, guiding him through the dangers of the jungle. Kaa, the oldest and wisest of them all, was a friend and mentor to Mowgli, offering him advice and guidance whenever he needed it. Together, they roamed the jungle, learning its secrets and forging bonds with its inhabitants. Mowgli could talk to the animals and understand their language, which made him a beloved member of the jungle community. One day, as Mowgli and his friends were playing near the river, they heard a loud commotion coming from the depths of the forest. Curious, they followed the sound and stumbled upon a group of monkeys causing mischief. These were no ordinary monkeys, they were the Bandar Log, a notorious tribe known for their mischief and chaos. Mowgli and his friends watched from a distance as the Bandar Log swung from tree to tree, laughing and shouting. But their amusement soon turned to concern when they saw the monkeys snatch a young wolf cub from its mother's side. "We have to do something," Mowgli said, his eyes blazing with determination. Baloo nodded in agreement. "We can't let them harm the cub. Let's go." With that, the four friends sprang into action, racing through the trees to rescue the kidnapped cub. Bagheera used his stealth and agility to outmaneuver the monkeys, while Baloo used his strength to fend off any attackers. Kaa, with his hypnotic gaze, lured the Bandar Log away from the cub, allowing Mowgli to snatch it from their grasp. As they made their escape, the Bandar Log pursued them with furious shrieks and cries. But Mowgli and his friends were determined to protect the cub at all costs. They fought bravely, using their wits and skills to outsmart their enemies. Finally, after a long and harrowing chase, they reached the safety of their own territory, where the Bandar Log dared not follow. The wolf cub was reunited with its grateful mother, and Mowgli and his friends were hailed as heroes by the jungle creatures. From that day on, Mowgli and his friends continued to roam the jungle, facing new adventures and challenges together. They learned that true friendship knows no bounds and that by working together, they could overcome any obstacle. And so, the story of Mowgli and his jungle adventures became legend, passed down through generations as a testament to the power of friendship and the wonders of the natural world. And though Mowgli eventually grew up and left the jungle behind, his spirit lived on in the hearts of those who loved him, forever a part of the wild and untamed jungle that he called home.